BB catching a drone. What you watching, BB?
Hey guys! Oh, I'm just watching the Worldwide Drone Championship. It's finals. Looks like there are 2 winners so far. White Eagle and Rapid Bird.
Countdown. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, let's watch! Come on, Bluebird! Keep up! Come on! Come on! Go, go, Bluebird! Hooray! We won! I like drones. Think I should buy one and take part in the contest.
Well, you should also learn how to use it, BB.
I'm sure I'll manage. Pretty sure it's not that hard. What do you think, guys?
BB's workshop is so neat. Cars are here cleaned so well. Paint, repair or change the seat. BB's always pleased to help. Workshop about cars will care. He is petrol and repair. And all cars get into order. BB's fixes all these orders.
Let's see. Okay, which one should I pick? What about this one, guys? Do you think it's fast? And what about this one? Can it get high? I think this white one is probably the most durable.
I think you should pick the blue one. It's the fastest.
Well, okay. I'll take the fastest one. And I'll name it Blue Arrow. Huh? Okay, let's see. This handle in the middle is to control the vehicle. And this one is to add speed. Pretty easy. Let's fly. Go, go, Blue Arrow! Whoa! Oh no! Blue Arrow's gonna crash! One of the propellers broke!
We gotta do something, BB, before it's too late.
I know, but I can't control it. See? It just stuck there under the balcony. What do we do? Yeah, he don't listen to me. Just doesn't react. How do I bring it back down? What do you think, guys? Maybe I should poke it with a stick?
You're gonna break it, BB. I'm not sure that's the way to go.
Yep, you're right.
Maybe we should wait till the battery runs out.
No way. It's still got 4 hours of flight. I can't wait that long. What if it will fix itself somehow? Anyway, I don't want it to hurt anybody. There are people down here. We must come up with a better idea. Oh, I know. Let's put a blanket on it. It will get stuck and fall down, but it won't break. Oh, I should try it right away. Hooray! We did it! Turns out it's not so easy to control the drone. Well, there's a lot of work to be done now. Guys, if your parents buy you a drone, make sure you learn how to use it and try it out with your folks. The farther away from trees and wires, the better.
BB finally fixed his blue arrow and he's ready to fly again. Good luck, BB.
What's up, guys? I sure hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, press subscribe button under this video to join the BB team. We have so much to do. Press like and let's have fun.